Because in this world, there are many medicine all over the world. But there is no cure for headache at all. There is no cure for headache. Is there cure for headache?
बहुत सालों से सर दर्द है लोगों को, पर उसका पर्टिकुलर दवाई नहीं है, इलाज भी नहीं है.
Is there cure for headache? I'm asking you. Is there cure
क्योर
for
इसका
headache?
क्योर है.
Only painkiller is available.
Yes, painkiller. Painkiller. So for 50 years, you'll be taking painkiller, madam. Painkiller. Huh? How old are you?
कितने साल की हो आप? नहीं, आप कितने साल की हो?
46. And how many years you had this pain?
कितने सालों से है सर दर्द?
15 साल.
15-20 साल, 15-20 years सर.
So 20 years you suffer a lot. Huh? You're a wife, you're a mother, you're a daughter-in-law, and you must work. Yeah, you must do so many work. No.
मतलब ये आपने खानदान में कितनी भीड़ है कि
किसी का नहीं है खानदान में.
Only
किसी का यार को लिया सर. यार को अटैक लिया.
Now, kalyan mananga.
Married.
Yes, married. So you got a lot of work to do as a wife. Yes or no? Huh? So this what I'm trying to say is a lot of people in many parts of the world suffer from headache without a proper solution for the healing. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. Okay, everywhere. Okay, this is only for 15 years, 20 years. Yesterday we saw one of 50 years. And you don't know what to do. Suffer. Can you sleep? You can't sleep very well. Because at night the pain can come anytime. Okay? So I'm saying that she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81 connections coming to the Ajna chakra.
80 का कनेक्शन बाहर से आ रहा है आगे चक्र में.
Okay? Now what is your name?
आपका नाम क्या है?
उत्तम.
Uttam, you are a physical body, you are a mind and a soul. Correct? Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
Physical. What's the name of the physical body? Uttam. Given by the father, the mother, the family, Aadhaar card, all. Uttam is you. But the mind, he says, I don't like this name. My father must give me better name. The mind.
शरीर तो उत्तम है, पर
Yes.
वो मन नहीं चाहता है.
Because not everybody like the name. I don't like this name. My father gave me my grandmother's name. I don't like. No, it's the mind. Or something, I like my name. My name is a warrior. My name
मुझे ये
is...
नाम पसंद नहीं है. मेरे ग्रैंडमदर ने रख दिया.
But inside there's a soul. The soul inside. Understand? The soul is a soul of no name, no religion, no type, nothing. The soul inside.
अंदर जो आत्मा है वो उसका कोई नाम नहीं है, कोई सेक्स नहीं है उसका.
Hold this.
पकड़ो सर.
Hold. Read. Just read. Okay? He's reading a card. Reading card. See? Now, as she's reading card, I'm going to check
हमने
her.
कार्ड दिया है उसको पढ़ने के लिए. बोला
Inhale, exhale.
सांस ले लो, छोड़ो.
Not the mouth. No, son.
नाक को साथ ले.
नाक से.
Yes. And tell me how much the pain. Is the pain coming down? Everybody will come up, your pain will be 10. Okay? 0 is no pain. You understand? Whether knee pain, shoulder pain, or what pain? 10. Okay? 10 pain, come down. 3 or 4 or 1 or 0 or 9. You tell me until it becomes 0. 0 is no pain. Okay? So now I showed her a small card and I'm asking her to breathe because whatever connection that come to her is no more there now. So I'm going to ask her, is the pain coming down?
दर्द कम हो रहा है? कितना कम हुआ है बताना. नहीं हुआ है.
हो रहा है.
How much?
हो रहा है, कम हो रहा है. कितना हो रहा है?
From 10,
नंबर बताना.
50%.
50%.
So 5. Okay? You inhale, exhale.
सांस लो,
सांस ले, छोड़ो.
Why you inhale is because you take the prana. When you inhale, you take oxygen and you also throw away the carbon dioxide. When you throw the carbon dioxide, your respiratory acidity go down. Put up because your lung can be full of carbon dioxide because you don't breathe properly. Once you inhale, then you exhale, all goes up, and then you start to change. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. What number you have?
कितना नंबर का
अभी
खत्म हो
कुछ कम हुआ ना?
गया खत्म हो गया खत्म फिनिश सर नो पेन नो पेन
Now, wait. What did she read? Oh. What did you read, madam?
अब पढ़ो इधर।
You cannot read.
हाँ।
Why you cannot read? You don't know how to read, or you need to wear glasses, or why?
पढ़ने
Tell me.
क्यों नहीं पढ़ना ही पाते
चश्मा लगाते हो कि?
चश्मा लगा लीजिए
Why?
स्पेक्स
Spectacles. You know why? Even with spectacles you cannot read because this is in Spanish. It's not Hindi. It's not English, it's Spanish. So who read it? Oh,
कार्ड
हाथ में पकड़ो सर।
who read it?
Soul.
कौन पढ़ता है अंदर का सोल पढ़ता है
When people have pain here, and pain here is the pain of the soul, not the mind, not the physical body. Remember that.
पेन
Not the mind, not the physical body. There is no medicine for this. No.
शरीर में नहीं है और मन में है
Because something was coming inside. Uptam. Uptam soul don't like.
बाहर से जो कोई कनेक्शन आ रहा है उसको उनकी आत्मा नहीं मानती
Uttam's mind like. Come here, sir.
मन मानती
Stand that side, sir. Stand there. Come here. Turn around. He's got many things here. Many things. What's your name? Kiselda. Kisela. Mr. Lal. Mr. Lal. Huh? Mr. Lal, your mind like this. Does your soul like it? Your mind likes it.
ये इतने सारे पहन रखा है
It's a
उनका
soul
मन-
like it.
उनका मन चाहता है पर उनका आत्मा चाहता है क्या
Huh?
सर बताइए
He said yes. Can you take it out for a while? Take it out for a while. Yes, what? Take out, huh? Because his mind says, I must wear this, I must wear that, I must do this, I must that. I must do this guru and that guru and this guru and that guru. He's many things. Take everything out. Take everything out. Take everything out. Take out. Okay, come out. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now. I'm done. Gold, no problem. In South India, they put many gold. Big gold. South India.
दक्षिण भारत में बहुत सारे सोने की
हाँ.
पहनते हैं
You know, all over the world, all the gold is in South India. You know that? Yes. Every house got 500 grams, 1 kilo, 1.5 kilo gold in the house. It's crazy.
अरे क्या घर में 1.5 किलो 2 किलो का गोल्ड है
All the marble is in Rajasthan house. Yes or no?
Yes.
All the marbles in the whole world is in Rajasthan house. Not enough, you export to all parts of the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
How many mountains come down? How many mountains have to come down over the hundreds of years to make temples and to make houses with marble? How many mountains? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, madam? Like that, how many things come? His mind says, I must wear this. Yes or no? Now, how to check this? How to check
कैसे
whether
पता करेंगे
your soul like or not?
इसमें ये
Okay.
आत्मा चाहता है कि नहीं
I am taking one picture. I am
ये
taking
तुम्हारा
one picture.
है।
I don't know who this man is. I don't know. I don't know this. I don't know. Huh? And I'm not interested. I am not interested. Huh? Okay, sir? Okay, yeah? I put it here. Okay?
वो अलग से रखा
Do a small test. Close your left hand.
टेस्ट करके दिखा
Put all these things down. 2 minutes in the pocket. These are the old people. Put everything here. You people put purse. What everything here. Every phone number, everything. Those people keep everything. Or they put a pocket here. So close the left hand close. Put here. Put here. Yeah. This hand up. Straight. Said, huh? So I'm going to push you like that. He said, huh? Like this. I'm going to push you. You stop me. Get it? I'm going to push you. Stop me, stop me.
सर कह रहे हैं वो
Stop me.
हाथ को तो रिटायर करना है वो।
No.
रोकना है।
Stop me. No, you must
तो
stop me,
आपको
stop me.
प्रेस करेंगे, आपको रोकना है, आपको हाथ नीचे नहीं
आपको
करना।
रोकना है।
Understand? Where? Come on, stop me. Hurry. Stop me. Stop me, bhai. You know, stop me. Fight me. No, stop me.
रोक दो ये सर को रोकना नीचे नहीं करना है।
It's painful. Huh?
Yeah, he's
It's
pain.
painful. So you can't resist this. Huh? You come, sir. Come.
He's strong.
Stand. His hands are painful. Fine. Yes, sir. You close your hand. Put here. He's a strong man. Strong man. Yes or no? Huh?
बल सर ये
Huh? Stop me. Stop me, sir. Stop me. Good. Strong man. Huh? Let's see whether he likes this. No. Open it. Put like this. Close. Close.
बंद करो मुट्ठी बंद करो।
Higher. Same thing.
देखो इसमें ताकत तो पहले
Cannot. His soul, what's your name, sir? Manish, soul don't like this. Manish mind
मनीष का
can be
आत्मा नहीं
programmed by many things. Understand? Your mind can be programmed by many things. Oh, this guru coming, that guru do this, oh, this temple, that temple, mind can program. But your soul don't like this. Understand? You put here, let's choose. Let's ask. I must make sure that it's a positive. So I give money banana. Close. So I give banana. But that's not like this.
वो आत्मा नहीं चाहता है
Wait.
इस माला को।
Now I put together. Okay. I put this and I put the banana. And hold.
अभी दोनों को
आया।
करने के लिए बोल। देखो उसको वीक कर दिया। ये माला उसको वीक कर दिया।
See, your mind is programmed, but inside that, there's a soul. The soul says, I don't want this. I've taken this birth to find a free life and go towards the light. But we put all of these things and contaminate our soul. It's contamination, spiritual contamination. What's that? Contamination. It's a people. Man. Your great-grandfather never prayed to man. Today we pray to man. Yes or no? A picture of man's house. Your great-grandfather prayed to nature. Your great-grandfather. Tell them. Your
पढ़दादा दादा पढ़दादा वो नहीं चाहते हैं, वो ऐसे नहीं करते थे और हम कर रहे हैं। ये हमारे मन तो माइंड में तो ऐसे ही है इसको करने का, पर मैं अपना आत्मा नहीं चाहता।
They pray to the sun, they pray to the moon, they pray to the land. They do this on nature.
पूरे के ना वो करते थे ऐसे पूजा, नेचर प्रकृति को पूजा करते थे। अभी भी कर रहे हैं राजस्थान में।
Today we pray to man.
अभी हम इसके लिए पूजा कर रहे हैं।
Yes or no? Yes or no? Huh? So I give you all. Everything give you.
थोड़ा बात ज्यादा जोर से मत करना।
Close.
बहुत छोटा क्लास है।
Hands up.
सर से पूरा लेना है अपने को।
Give.
अब देखो सारे मालाएं दिया है सर ने। एक अभी से
He's a very strong man, but still his soul says, I don't like this. Understand? No. Anybody got doubts? Come, got doubt? Come, please. Doubts, come. No.